Dam once again. Nice and local to home, so it's easy to get to, and I'm going to head down here and try to catch some barred grunter or some spangled perch, because I've got an idea to do a cook up. So if we can get a few, we'll do the cook up. Let's go and have a look. Got him. Oh, that's a catfish. I don't want that. Nope. Dropped him. Get in the water, mate. There you go. Go, little catfish, go. He's off. Here we go. Got one. There's a bit of grunter. That's two. Yeah, that's two of them. Into there. Actually, we'll chuck a bit of water in there. Leave them alive in there for a bit. See if we can get enough. There you go. There is another one. That's a tiny, tiny one. That's way too little. There we go. Super tiny fish. Too small, too small. Here we go. Oh, here we go, got him off the bottom. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh. Got a funny feeling it might be another catfish. Come on. There we go. Try not to get spiked by these because they got those big spines and they hurt. Hurt lots. So yeah, mate. There we go. That's what we want. Another barred grunter. There we go, another grunter. Here's those barred grunter, and they're bleeding out. Now, I know they're small, but you are allowed to keep 20 per person. There's no size limit on a barred grunter. They're a pain in the backside to clean, but they are tasty. So don't be scared to give them a try. A lot of people just pass them up, throw them back, do whatever, because they are such a pain in the backside to clean. And your reward is you have to get your 20 pretty much to be able to make it worthwhile. I've just got the 6 there, so I can try something, do a bit of a catch and cook. But yep, that's as easy as it is, guys. Get in there, toss a bait out. Worms pretty much work best, especially in Wivenhoe, but is what it is. 20 per person is a heap, so that's a lot of cleaning too. I'm going to get into it, get these clean. Just like that, we are in the kitchen. Well, not the kitchen, but we're the back of the car. So running off the solar over there on the roof. That's charging up the lithium system with the Shervey overnighter there, hooked into the back, and I'm going to plug in the little Shervey Power Products oven and do some cooking in there. If you haven't seen one of these little Shervey stoves before, you can get different ones on the market. This is the Shervey Power Products one, and the reason that it's different is it is hooked up with an Anderson plug, ready to go. Heavy duty, all heavy duty cables, and they trick them out so that you have a switch in the side there, so you can actually turn it on and off on the go. And all you have to do, I'll just plug it straight into the 30 amp there. There you go, and switch the power on. So if I can get to the button, there you go, done. So that's all switched on, and I just put a little layer of foil in there, and now I've got this bit of baking paper. I'm going to put that in there as well. Now, just be careful when you're using these, because they do heat up really quickly, and that's already getting hot in the bottom, so that's all ready to go. Here we have it. Here's these fillets from the barred grunter, and what we're going to do is we're just going to place them down in the bottom down here and get them all out. They're little boneless fillets. Now there's not a lot there, it's just a bit of a taster. Like we only did a few fish, but this is what it's about, trying something new. So we're just going to shuck all this into there. There you go. That's just straight into the bottom of there. This is not going to take very long to cook at all. So then we've got a heap of butter. We've got a big pile of butter there. What we'll do is we'll break the butter up around in that like that. Filming with one hand, breaking up butter with the other. Butter, butter, butter. Heaps of this, heaps of butter there. It's a lot of butter. Then we've got this little lemon, herb and garlic mix. And we're just going to sprinkle some of that onto there as well. Put a heap of that on. There we go. And that is going to be absolutely beautiful. So all I've done after that is I've just put the lid on. Now you can clip it down if you're traveling, if you're doing anything like that. I'm just leaving this here at the moment. It's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to leave it unhooked like that. It's got a little air vent there, and you can see that starting to steam up. It's not going to take long at all. Well, it's been about 20 minutes or so, and check that out. That is ready, and it's absolutely delicious. So all we do is we'll just unplug from our system there, turns all the power off, and yeah, we sucked a little bit of power, but that'll charge up real quick with the solar. So literally the Shervey system here, I don't have to really do anything. I don't have to run the car. When I run the car, it punches about 30 amps into it. When it's just sitting here, the solar runs the fridge. The fridge is inside the cab between the kids' seats, and it runs 24/7. So it runs around the clock. I'm actually thinking about getting a second fridge to run a freezer in here, and run a fridge and a freezer, and be able to do those long haul trips way more comfortably. So absolute ripper of a system. Rick, all the team up there at Solar and Sats, thanks so much. You guys are bloody legends. So that's cool. That's going to cool down there, but I'm going to jump straight into that, and that fish should be all done into there. Look at that. That crispy on the bottom, cooked. These little cookers are so good. I know they're going to be featuring in a lot of videos coming up. But into there, we're going to grab that bit of fish out of there. Yeah, this is really hot because it's just come out. Oh, so hot. Oh man. Mm. Mm. I'm going to whack that on a wrap. That is so good. That little garlic and lemon, absolutely beautiful. A bit of pepper on it would be nice too. But yeah, that's awesome. Give it a try, guys, and don't be scared to go and smack those smaller fish. They're out there. They're easy to catch. You can go out there and get yourself a feed really easily. Like I said, pain in the backside to clean. They are so annoying to clean, but you know, feed a fish is a feed a fish, so they're there for the taking. You can grab them and they're easy to get, so give it a try. We'll see you all in the next one. Please like, please subscribe, do all the cool stuff. Love yous all. Thank you very much. Man, those little caramelized crispy bits on the bottom, they're the bomb, man. That is great. So good.